Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix keyboard voice tapping problem. Friends, you have guys your keyboard voice tapping problem. Friends, your voice icon not show on your keyboard. So how to fix this problem today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to fix oppo mobile keyboard voice typing problem. And first of all guys, you will have to on your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on app management, click here. After on friends app management, friends click on app list, and friends find here gboard setting guys. So I will wait, and friends now I find here gboard. And friends direct friends you can search also guys. Friends, so we will search here gboard. As you can see gboard friends, click here. After on gboard friends, click on storage and uses, click here. Friends, first clear cache, and friends now clear data also. Friends, come back. Friends, now open your phone setting again, and friends your icon will show on your keyboard. Friends, you can check keyboard voice typing problem solve. So like that friends we can use oppo phone keyboard voice typing. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. And friends, after that your keyboard not show this voice typing, this icon guys don't show. So guys, what will you have to do friends, click on keyboard setting, and friends scroll it. Friends, you can see voice typing. Friends, voice typing is off. So friends, you can see voice typing will not show here. So guys, click here, voice tapping on, and friends you can see voice tapping. Friends, we can use it. Hello Google. So like that friends we can use, and when we can solve keyboard voice tapping problem on a phone device. So bye guys.